I have a lot of intersectionalities. I'm a Rubik's Cube of intersectionality and part of the BIPOC collective and all those things. And I think of being in the alphabet gang, as I lovingly call it,
Yeah.
understanding intersectionality and how it's kind of like having a recipe, and you can just add ingredients separately. You expect to know how that single thing is going to taste, but sometimes the combinations are even better than the thing you've been doing the whole time. Like you grew up on mac and cheese and had one kind of cheese in it. Well, wait till you grow up. But you're 32 and you make a 4 cheese mac and cheese, and then maybe you put breadcrumbs on it. I feel like that's the alphabet community. And so take BIPOC people, you put the LGBTQ people together, you got a brave set of people. And it's people that they're by default, their grounding is in possibility. They have decided, I'm going to live. There's no alternative but to live. And the way you live is you double down on your peace, your pleasure, and your freedom. And so for me, it's about recognizing that's kind of compound experiences and going, oh yeah, that's cute, your little discrimination. But their discrimination isn't really dynamic. You know what I
No.
mean?
Yeah.
It is like a mac and cheese from a box. So now I'm really
A
thinking
little
about
too salty.
yeah, a little consulting. You're not sure.
Well, overly processed.
And I don't know where the orange color came from. And I can't read the ingredients on the box when I go to the emergency room. So yeah, there's challenges and that sort of thing. But I'm one for ditching the status quo and the stereotypes. And I just see this community as very vibrant, very diverse.